Hey guys, so when or like how you can get your cheap MetaQuest free and what is the best way how you can buy it. Now, to be honest, there are multiple ways. I don't think there, let's say you're from the US. The thing is that you can just wait on the Christmas time and you would get it much cheaper on Amazon when there is going to be off prices. Another thing is that someone wrote here that if you're looking also for getting a new phone, you can go to Best Buy and set up your new phone. I'm with the Bell. I got $200 gift card. So that's something. Another thing is Facebook Marketplace. That could possibly help you to find something good. But you have to actually like get like, so you're not going to get tricked, so you can actually like meet the person. And another thing, what you can try to do is something that I found here. So yeah, some countries are seeing 100 price drop on Amazon. And you can check it out with the GameStop, the deal. So you can actually check, like compare multiple sites that are selling it if you're gonna find the cheapest price. But primarily, I would just wait on the winter time and just buy it in that month. So hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value, what you can do, and have a great day and goodbye.